You're a trailblazer, an innovator, a sales leader. You like to make bold statements and deliver unique sales experiences that set you apart from your competition. Welcome to VisionThree. Welcome to the new face of sales. Now, here's what the new face of sales looks like. Let's say you sell aircraft engines, and you want to demonstrate your latest design to your prospect. With VR for Sales, you can collaborate together in one shared experience from anywhere in the world. You can be in Chicago and your client in Austin or Hong Kong, reducing the overall need for travel and still allowing you to engage your clients and prospects using experiences unparalleled with in-person meetings. Can you do this in person? Or this? How about this? Sure, we admit it's cool, but it's also so much more. VR for Sales dives into a new world of selling that is valuable if your product is big or small or just hard to demonstrate because it's complicated. Giving your sales force a better outlet to demonstrate and create a unique understanding of your products and services. Power up your sales performance with innovative, interactive demonstrations that are guaranteed to leave an impression. Now, seeing is believing, and we'd be happy to show you. So request your demo now.